It's 2005 CRF50. It's got a UFO plastics on it. It's got Fast Minis rims. It's got a BBR bars, the big boy bars.
BBR clamp.
BBR triple clamp. It's got a upgraded front suspension, I think.
In the rear.
Yep. It's pretty fun. It's got a little bit of upgrades here and there, but Liam's been just driving this since our blaster over here needs a bottom end rebuild. So while we're saving up for that, he's just tinkering around with this and having fun. How do you like it so far, Liam?
Fun.
Yeah? You gonna get on it and show us some of your skills?
Try.
He had an XR70 before, so this bike is very similar to that. It's meant for kids a little bit younger than him, but it's still fun for adults. I just rode the heck out of it. Drove it down to the next neighborhood and back and followed the school bus. So, here we go. Go ahead, Liam. Whoops. A little bit rusty. He still remembers how to wheelie though. Earlier he was out here doing circle wheelies. Oh. Oopsies. Well, good thing it's little. That's what it's for, learning. Oop. Yep, kick the dirt out of your foot peg and just get back up on the horse, right, buddy? These little bikes are known as indestructible. People give these kids these things and they run the heck out of them and you just can't kill them. Oh, what happened? Twice in a row? Jeez. Is it bent? No, it's just full of dirt. Looks like the shifter got stuck. Oh well, we'll fix that and then everything will be Gucci again. But I just wanted to show you guys the new bike for the channel. Part of the new fleet. So we got rid of the stand-up scooter. And now we're just down to the CRF50 and the Yamaha, which I'm thinking about doing a Vito's 240 kit on. If anybody has any experience with the Vito's kit, let me know in the comments how they are. It's between that or the stock Wiseco setup. That and I got to do a rear brake caliper and slave cylinder or rear brake master cylinder, and then I got to do the front brake cable snapped. That's what this cable is here, sitting straight up in the air. The front brakes, the cable snapped right off the perch there. So I'm thinking about doing the disc brake conversion. This has got drum brakes on it. But I think it would be better if we had the either Banshee style front discs, or I think they made the later years in these disc brake, but we'll have to see. Did you get that shifter fixed, buddy? Oh, might need a screwdriver. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our videos for more content. Bye.